Welcome to lesson 4. In this lesson, we will show you the Peekaboo wrapping technique. This wrapping style works beautifully when the gift itself is part of the presentation. It's perfect for socks, soft toys, or little clothing items that have a really fun design you want to show off instead of hiding in a box. Let's begin. Now, let's measure how much paper do we need. First of all, place your item on the wrapping paper and measure it lengthways. Fold over the wrapping paper and roughly have an idea where to cut it. Key thing is for the wrapping paper to overlap across your item you want to wrap. And then cut it. Now, onto the width of the paper. Measure your items 3 times, and this is how much paper you need. Cut it, and then you will have canvas you're going to work with for the rest of the wrapping. Don't worry if it's not too even, we can correct it later on. Now I'm creating a neat finishing edge. This hides the raw edge of the paper and creates very clean border that helps the wrap look polished. Then fold the bottom of the paper towards the gift and overlap the top of the paper. Push it very gently so you know where to fold the paper properly. Run your fingers across to make the fold crisp. This is the base of your Peekaboo design. Then it's time to clean it up a bit. Make sure everything is even. We are cutting down the excess so the paper aligns beautifully and looks professional. Now flip the paper so the vertical line looks towards the table and create a thicker edge at the bottom. Use your fingers to make it really neat. Then fold it once more. Remember, we're creating that neat little pocket. Once again, measure with your item so it fits in the pocket easily and fold it once more. This is where you can become really playful. You can make it bigger, you can fit multiple items inside, you can make the pocket deeper as well, so only a few centimeters of the gift pokes out. Then use our trusted double-sided tape and stick it together. And there you have it. You created a Peekaboo wrap. Place your item inside, make sure it fits well. You can add some decorations, multiple items, anything you like. We decided to hide the tag in here. Now let's decorate with the standalone ribbon. Use your non-dominant hand and grab the shorter edge of the ribbon and create loops with the longer side of the ribbon. Then, in the end, pull the longer edge through the fingers, creating a loop, and wrap through the front ribbon. This might take you a few tries, but once you get it, it's an incredibly useful skill to have. You can create these beautiful bows, you can decorate the Christmas trees, candlesticks, gifts, anything you want. Pull the ribbon to make sure that the bow is even. And use double-sided tape to stick it onto the gift we created. Now finally trim the edges of the ribbon. And that's the finished Peekaboo wrap. I love it. It's simple, playful, and perfect for when you want personality of the gift to shine through. Thank you for creating with us, and see you in lesson 5.